Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to enable the day counter in Minecraft 1, 21.9 and above. This works everywhere. To do this, we need to press a button combo. I'll type it in chat, F3 and F6 at the same time. Press them, and here we'll find this tab. So I'm turning everything off here. And to show only the day count, we need just one tab here, local difficulty. Now click in overlay or click always and press OK. For example, it'll be everywhere if we choose always. But if you click in overlay, then when I press F3, you'll only see it when I press F. That's all. This was LR. Like and subscribe to the channel. Have a great life, everyone. Good luck to everyone. Goodbye, everyone.